The Blacksmith and the Cold Iron. Long ago, there was an old blacksmith who specialized in forging swords. One day, a boy came to apprentice. He was eager to become skilled quickly, but every time he made a mistake, he wanted to give up. The blacksmith didn't scold him. Instead, he handed the boy a cold iron bar and said, "Try to bend this iron." The boy used all his strength, but the cold metal wouldn't move. The old man smiled and said, "Iron can only be shaped when it's red hot. People are the same. Only through trials and heat can we change and grow." From then on, the boy worked hard and eventually became a master blacksmith.